50 cooking verbs for beginners. Learn English vocabulary for cooking. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer gently for 15 minutes. Fry. She is frying some fish for dinner. Great. Grate a little cheese into the salad. Toss. Toss the salad with dressing before serving. Scramble. Scramble the eggs with a pinch of pepper. Knead. I knead the dough to make fresh bread. Baste. Baste the roast with its juices every so often. Spread. Spread a bit of jam on your toast. Marinate. Marinate the fish for extra flavor. Grill. Grill the chicken for 5 minutes per side. Season. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Skim. Skim the fat from the soup's surface. Chill. Chill the dough in the fridge for 30 minutes. Drizzle. Drizzle some olive oil over the salad. Dip. Dip the cookie into the milk. Roll out. Roll out the dough into a thin sheet. Blend. Blend the fruits to make a smoothie. Whisk. Whisk the eggs quickly until fluffy. Caramelize. Cook the onions slowly to caramelize them. Garnish. Garnish the dish with a few fresh herbs. Squeeze. Can you squeeze lemon juice over the fish? Dust. Dust the cake with powdered sugar. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some herbs on top for flavor. Melt. The butter is melting in the pan. Parboil. Parboil the potatoes before frying them. Boil. The water in the pot is boiling. Bake. We're baking cookies in the oven. Roast. She is roasting vegetables in the oven. Peel. Could you peel a potato for the recipe? Boil down. Boil down the sauce until it thickens. Crumble. Crumble some cheese on the top. Chop. I need to chop the carrots for the salad. Fold. Gently fold the berries into the batter. Slice. Would you like another slice of cake? Mix. Mix the eggs and sugar until smooth. Pool. Carefully pour the hot water into the cup. Puree. Puree the vegetables to make a thick soup. Layer. Layer the pasta and sauce in the dish. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Sauté. Sauté the garlic for about a minute. Add. I like to add honey to my tea. Stir fry. Stir fry the vegetables quickly over high heat. Coat. Coat the chicken in breadcrumbs before frying. Sift. Sift the flour gently before mixing it in. Pinch. Add a small pinch of salt to your meal. Thicken. Use flour to thicken the sauce. Toast. Toast the bread until it's crispy. Steam. The broccoli is steaming on the stove. Drain. Drain the pasta and place it on the plates. Glaze. She glazed the cake with a smooth chocolate layer.